The rain was coming down hard on the tin roof of the small house. It was a kind of rain that made everything smell like wet earth and old iron. She sat at the kitchen table, her hands wrapped around a cup of coffee that had long since grown cold. "You should move the clothes to the dryer," he said, not looking at her. He was staring out the window, watching the rain turn the dirt road into mud. "I will," she replied, but neither of them moved. They sat in the silence, the rain their only company. Outside, a cat found shelter under the porch, its fur slick with water. The wind picked up, rattling the windows. Inside, the clock ticked steadily, marking time they both wished would stop. "It's been 3 days," he finally said. "I know," she answered, her voice barely above a whisper. He turned to face her then, his eyes red-rimmed, his face unshaven. "We should have moved the clothes to the dryer yesterday." She nodded, but neither of them got up. The rain continued to fall, creating its own rhythm, its own song of waiting. In the distance, thunder rolled, a reminder that even storms eventually pass. But for now, they were stuck in their own storm, one that no amount of moving clothes to the dryer could fix. The coffee grew colder, the rain grew heavier, and still they sat, waiting for something to change.